Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure to be here in Poland. I think it is in 2007 I came here first, and ever since I have been coming here periodically, and every time I come here and go back, I go back with a lot of enthusiasm, with interest, and getting even more motivated than before. So it's great to be here. I want to first thank SVD Probiotics and Probiotic Polska for inviting us to this Congress. My colleague Vishwadeep and I are very thankful to you for not only inviting, for all the hospitality here. It was in 2002 that I first came across the concept of consortia probiotics through some work which was done by Margarita in India. And that led me to the opportunity of reading the great book, An Earth-Saving Revolution. And ever since I read that book, I've always fantasized about developing technologies and products using the concept of consortia probiotics and making an impact in my own way in the betterment of this world. And the opportunity went through different types of experiences, including working with SVD Probiotics for a couple of years, and then starting our own organization in India, along with two of my friends, Vishy and Chandrasekhar, Chandra, whom some of you have met. Eventually, we ended up developing a few products and a technology platform from which we made these products. And today I think we are in an exciting stage where we think we can develop a great business as well as make an impact on the well-being in this world. And what I'm going to share with you is one such product which we have developed recently, and we are seeing great traction in the marketplace and producing great results for our customers, and at the same time making the world a better place. So here it is. The scenario which I'm presenting here with respect to the products which I'm talking about is the textile industry. Textile processing industry, according to some estimates, account for almost 20% of the pollution, industrial pollution created in this world. So if we can do anything there and at the same time improve the performance for the textile processor, we thought we had a great opportunity. The history of how we ended up here is a little complicated, but let me say that about a year and a half ago, we came up with this product, Prodet C, which is a soaping agent used in the textile industry, and I'm going to talk about that. The product which we developed, as I've said there, saves water, 20% reduction in the water consumption in the processing, and about 10% reduction in the time and energy consumed. So it's a great proposition, provided the cost of our product is competitive with the chemicals. It really is so. So I think we have something very interesting for the consumer. Just a quick background about the global textile market. It's a very large industry, obviously, because clothing is an important requirement for human beings. The production centers are generally in Asia. China, India, the SAARC countries or the countries around India and Far East Asia are the large production centers, and the consumption centers are the United States, Europe and Japan. There are numbers here. I wouldn't spend too much time on this except to say that China is a very large market, so it's also India next, and then the other countries which we mentioned there. Of course, there are production centers in South America, in Africa, and a couple of other locations in the world. If you look at the opportunity in terms of a business, we are looking at the textile chemical market. It's $20 billion worldwide, out of which the addressable market which we are looking at comprises of what I call here as the auxiliaries, which represent approximately $2 billion. And out of this, the product which I'm going to talk about today is in the soaping application, which I will talk about in a little while. That is about $300 million in value. The existing textile product, if you take all the products we are working on as well as we have developed for the textile application, it represents about $1.5 billion. US dollars worth of potential market. And we are competing against some of the biggies in Europe, Huntsman, BASF, Clariant, Dystar, and others. So a little bit about our company, ProClean Technologies. We are a licensee of SCD Probiotics, and we have introduced all natural biodegradable products under the brand name of Proviera that replaces chemicals used in these three industries, the leather and tannery industries, which some of you are aware of, both us and SCD Probiotics under their affiliate company, Provera Biotech. We are selling these products already in the world. Textile industry, which I'm going to talk about, and then the hospitality sector, which is cleaning and descalers, which we are selling only in India. The products we make obviously are made with SCD mother cultures, but we use a unique fermentation process combined with some formulation technologies which we develop. This has been licensed back to SCD Probiotics and Provera Biotech for certain applications through agreements which we have with them. So it's come to the textile products. Our products are a consortium of biochemicals, just as the consortia probiotic approach, working with consortium of microorganisms. The product we have is actually a consortium of biochemicals which are derived from these probiotic microbes. The manufacturing process involves fermentation, but they are not enzyme-based. The products are not enzyme-based. I mention this because the enzyme products in the textile industry don't have a good reputation. So our products, we make sure we tell our customers our products are not enzyme-based. They are non-toxic and they are fully biodegradable. We have done enough studies, third-party certifications for this biodegradability. And the product can be used in very wide temperatures, up to 160 degrees C. In certain applications, like in the polyester soaping, is done at 160 degrees C under pressure. So our products have delivered there also, and it works across a very wide range of pH. And these are advantages which the customers are seeing, just as in our leather products. The textile range of products, we have a range of products now. I'm going to be talking about Prodet C, which is a soaping agent for cellulosic yarns and fabrics. We also have a soaping agent for woolen yarn and fabrics. We have a water conditioning product called Pro Excel, which we are selling to customers in the last few months. We have a leveling agent which is used for uniform mixing of dyes applied in the textile industry. And we have a scouring agent which is essentially a cleaning agent used in the textile industry. But I'm going to be talking only about Prodet C. Just a quick background about the textile processing industry. You can classify them into either wovens or knits, depending on what they are making. The wovens are generally processed in a continuous processing machines, while the knits are normally done in batch machines like this. And we found our product works in both these applications, but the advantages are far more in a batch processing machine like this, and I'm going to be talking about it. So the process is that you get the fiber, it is then made into a yarn, and then the yarn and the fabric are sometimes sized. Sized meaning they are coated with certain chemicals like carbohydrates or polyvinyl alcohol to make it stronger. So once they finish making it into a fabric, they have to remove that size. They have to remove that coating. That is called desizing. So there is a desizing operation which is followed by a scouring or a cleaning operation. Then they dye the fabric or yarn. After the dyeing is over, they have to remove the excess unfixed dyes and other contaminants which are there in the fabric before you send it to the user, next user. If it is a fabric, it goes to a garment manufacturer. If it is a garment, then it is washed and sent to the stores for selling. So this product which we are talking about is used in this last stage. And it is normally called a soaping agent in the textile industry. So Provera Prodet C is a product which we are selling. We position our product as made with greener technology, which gives superior results and it gives higher profits. And our positioning always has been that we have to make good profits for our customers. At the same time, we have to impact the environment in a positive way. That's why we say profit more, pollute less. So Prodet C works across all cellulosic fibers. It works in certain situations at a much lower temperature than the chemical soaping agents. The chemical soaping agents are generally used at 95 degrees Celsius, while this product can be used for certain applications at 60 degrees C. It saves water. It does not contain harmful chemicals like phosphates and alkalis. It produces very good result in terms of the brighter colors and the parameters which the processor looks for, which is, they've called wet rub and dry rub tests. And if it is 3 and above, it is considered good. And in terms of tough colors like red and turquoise, if they get a 3, they are very satisfied with the results. And we have been able to deliver that. So the way we have been, the advantages which we could see with our product is making us unique, and the position with which we go to our customers is with this. So we say three areas. We're talking about saving in water. We found that our product has potential to reduce a minimum of 20% of the water used in the processing. And how does that happen? Because of a certain unique features of our product. For example, one of the features I said is that it can work across a very wide pH range. A chemical soaping agent normally has to be applied at a certain particular pH. And in the dyeing process, there is a process called neutralization where they add acetic acid to reduce the pH. And normally they have to drain the bath before they put the soaping agent and wash, because the chemical soaping agents don't perform well in an acidic pH. But we don't have that problem. So we say you don't drain the acidic bath, you can put the soaping agent in the same bath and do the soaping. Thereby we are saving one bath. Okay. Secondly, because 20 minutes up? Okay. Okay, so let me not go into the details. So we save number of baths, and that leads to, because we are working at a 1:6 ratio, about 12 kiloliters or 12 tons of water. So that is a benefit which the customer is getting. It saves energy and time because we are reducing the number of baths. When you reduce the number of baths as against 120 minutes, we can finish the process in 70 minutes. So it saves 50 minutes of processing, which results in reduction in energy. So you're talking about reducing 50 minutes and 255 kilowatts of energy. This is an average result taken from various tests. The third positioning we are going with is it pollutes less. We have found this is actually a customer data. One of the textile processor who has been using our products for the last 6 months, he compared the April 2014 results with April 2013, and we are talking about 20% reduction in COD, maybe almost 40% reduction in BOD, and 10% reduction in total dissolved solids. So these are big things for the customer, and this positioning has helped us to acquire customers. These are detailed protocols of comparison between chemical soaping agents and the current soaping agents. I won't go into details. Summary of why we are able to produce the results. We are able to do the process with lesser time at lower temperatures compared to the chemical soaping agents. That is the positioning. So that's why we are saving water, energy, and time. We have customers across various kinds of application: fiber, yarn, knitted ribs, lycra, heavy clothes, poplin. So we have done this across many different types of fibers and yarns, and we have produced results, and we have acquired customers. We have been acquiring customers in India, a large number of customers we already have. Recently we have gone to Philippines, and we have been acquiring customers there. The products has been tested with third-party laboratories. We have certification from European agencies. Ecotex is one of the certifications from Europe. The other is a global organic textile standard. So we have certifications of products suitable for application like organic textiles as well as infant clothes. Class 1 of Ecotex means it can be used for producing infant clothes. So thank you so much for the time. We are very excited with these results.
Thank you very much, Dr. Pillai.